In this problem, we have to find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle on this line. So the line is 3x minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. Center of the circle is minus 4 comma 2, and the radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. So I'm getting it as 6. Radius is 6. We want this length AB. Now we know that this perpendicular n, if I take AB, is nothing but 2 times AN. Now let's find AN. For that, let's find this CN, distance from center to the line, that is point in the line by, that's minus 12 minus 2 plus 4 by root of A square plus B square. So I'm getting it as root 10. Okay, now we have, this is Cn value, root 10. Therefore An is nothing but root of AC square minus Cn square. So it is root 26. So this is nothing but 2 root 26. Therefore K is 2. Let's go to next problem. Now here we want equation to tangent that is parallel to this. So the tangent equation, obviously it looks like this. Now we know that it is tangent to this one if and only if distance from center to the line is equal to radius. Center is 2 comma minus 3 and radius root of g square plus f square minus c. It is 5. Distance from center to the line equal to radius. Applying formula, it's 2 minus 6 plus k by root of a square plus b square is equal to 5. Or from this I have mod of k minus 4 is equal to 5 root 5 I am getting. So you can see that removing the mod, I have k minus 4 is 5 root 5, or k minus 4 is equal to minus 5 root 5. So I have k value as 4 plus 5 root 5, or 4 minus 5 root 5. So you can see that as he is talking about a tangent, only this value of k is possible. So a is 4, b is 5. So a plus b is equal to 9. Let's go to next problem. Now in this problem, the only thing you need to know is the fact that the normal always passes through the center of the circle. Already normal we are taking at this point. Normal is passing through 3 comma minus 4. As it is normal to this circle always passes through the center, which is nothing but 11 comma 2. So you need normal is the normal you need is nothing but the line joining these 2 points. Simply find equation and rest is obvious. Let's go to next problem. In this problem, let us write the given data. See, terms are in AP. Even number of terms is saying. So if I assume the terms are T1, T2, T3, so on, Tn, T2n. He said sum of the odd terms, it is T1 plus T3 plus so on plus T2n minus 1. He said this is 24 and sum of even terms is 30. So that is T2 plus T4 plus so on plus T2n. He gave this as 30. Now I want you to observe that if I subtract one from the other, this is D, common difference. This is also D, T4 minus T3, so on. This is also common difference D is equal to, I'm getting 6 here. So I have, these are obviously n in number. I have n times D is equal to 6 I am getting. I have to find n so that the number of terms I can say 2n. Okay, now he said that the first term, the last term T2n exceeds the first term by 21 by 2. So this is a plus 2n minus 1 into d minus a is 21 by 2. So from this I am getting 2n minus 1 into d is nothing but 21 by 2. So multiplying, I have 2nd minus d is equal to 21 by 2. I already got nd is equal to 6. So using that here, I have 12 minus 21 by 2 equal to d. Or I have d is nothing but 3 by 2. Now using d is equal to 3 by 2 in this relation, I have n is equal to 4. Therefore, the total terms 2n, it is nothing but 8. Let's go to next problem. See, it is easy to see that in this problem, if this is not going to be more than 2 by 3, then the integral part will be 0. If you want this integral part to take value as 1, the inside quantity 1 by 3 plus 3n by 100, if it lies between 1 and 2, then only its integral part will be 1. Now this is true if and only if I subtract a 1 by 3 throughout, I'll get 2 by 3 less than or equal to 3n by 100 less than 2 minus 1 by 3. I'm getting it as 5 by 3. So this is true if and only if 200 by 9 less than or equal to n less than 500 by 9. If and only if this is 9 to 18, 22 point something is less than or equal to n less than 9 5s 45 and 55 point something. So basically if n belongs to 23, the set 23, 24 up to 55, you can see that as long as n belongs to this set, the integral part will be 1. If n is less than 23, then the integral part will be 0. Now you can see that this is what you have to sum. That means you have to sum f of 1 plus f of 2 plus so on plus f of 22 plus f of 23 plus so on plus f of 55 plus f of 56 you have to find. I want you to observe that all this is 0. I mean integral part is 0. This integral part is 0, so 0 into n will be 0 only for all that. Plus from here onwards up to here, as n is in this set, integral part will be 1. So f of 23 becomes 1 into 23. Next one 1 into 24. Like that it goes up to 1 into 55. Plus when it comes to 56, as it is more than 5 by 3, the integral part will become 2. So it will be 2 into 56. So we sum this one. So I am getting it as 23 plus 24 plus so on plus 56 plus 56. So this is an AP. The number of terms is nothing but 34. So it is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus 56. Let's simplify this one. And you have it as 1399. Okay.